I'm not a big fan of shatter. Now if a dab will do you, that's why I'm dunking this glob. And all this wax and flowers got my life in a fog. I navigate with precision you ain't never seen. Can't wait until my face is on the front of that Hot Times magazine. If you're doing an interview with Danny Danko, just shooting the shit, talking strains, puffing the bowl. This goes out to all the stoners still wondering what day when a smile comes to my face when I think about all the time spent. You couldn't put the weed I smoked in the back of a tractor trailer truck. All them funny things my stoner uncle used to say to us stuck with me to this day, man. Shout out to Uncle Rick, I hope you still getting blazed. Break it down, roll it up, roll it up. Trade D and Curtis Cushion, all my smokers show love. Break it down, roll it up, roll it up. Trade D and Curtis Cushion, all my smokers show love. I don't know about you, but I came to smoke. I said I came to smoke, and I don't know about you, but I came to smoke. I said I came to smoke.
It's time to operate, smoking on that concentrate. Pretty bitches hash oils, that's why I can't concentrate. Tradies who they nominate, baby come around my way. We gon' burn it down today, smell it from a mile away. Ripping bombs till you say when. I bet this place spin once you hit the vape pen. Yeah, good wax, no tax, no naps, more snacks, write raps, take dabs. I hope you heard us, me and the homie Curtis, making stone and